Welcome to Craft with Kathie. I have got a project for you that is perfect for Valentine's Day. It uses a transfer called Valentine Kisses. And I'm going to put a link with the transfer and the assortment of paste packet and called I Heart You, and actually a board and base surface. I'm doing this on an arrow chalkboard that I found at the craft store, but I'll also show you a pic at the end of using it on our board and base. Right now we have 50% off our Valentine items, so this is a great time to do a little chalking. If you've never tried it before, this is a nice economical way to create something sweet and beautiful for a piece of Valentine's decor. I'm actually mixing up a little paste and lightening up my peony that I have, but the I Heart You palette pack of 6 different inks has quite a variety of different colors, and I think you'd be happy with them and you won't have to actually mix or lighten anything up. There's 6 different colors. They include cherry, eucalyptus, guava, marvelous, peachy keen, and shimmer gold. And I think actually the cherry would be perfect for the lips on this project. You could do this on a found surface like I did, or you could do it on the board and base, the black board and base. I have a picture at the end of this video with that. Or you could even actually do this on our rectangular simple shape. It's perfect for any of those 3 surfaces. I'll include a link so you can check it out if you want to, of all the supplies that were used, including the squeegee. Add or subtract to suit whatever your taste is. Our transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times or more. And our chalk paste makes things exceedingly easy, especially if you're applying it to a chalkboard. So if you're new to chalking, I'd probably opt for the board and base because it makes it simple and easy. And if you make a mistake, just wash it off with a little water and paper towel, clean it up, and just do it again. Perfect for the chalk newbie. I'm just smoothing down the transfer. I fuzzed it to diminish the stickiness a little bit on my fuzzing cloth. If you don't have a fuzzing cloth, use a towel or a pair of jeans or a sweater. And I'm applying the chalk paste. This is paste, not chalk paint. Totally different animal. This is actually made from chalk. Goes on liquid but dries to a hard finish. But it's easily removable from chalkboard, dry erase, glass, metal, and mirror. I'm just wiping off the excess or smoothing it over and removing the excess paste and putting the excess paste back in my jar. No sense wasting it. And look at the clarity and the crispness of the letters. Now I missed a little bit on the V. I was a little bit light, so I'm just laying my transfer back down and going over it with a little bit more paste. Easy peasy. How simple was that? Our paste takes about 5 to 8 minutes to dry. Our shimmers take more like 8 minutes, but our regular paste is about 5 minutes. So I'm just setting that aside, and I'm going to grab the next part of this transfer to actually put my word kisses on there. Once again, I'm just going to fuzz the transfer, then apply it to my surface, and then put whatever color paste I want over it, smooth it over, and remove it. Simple, quick, and easy. I love the ability to customize my home decor to use to the colors that coordinate with my taste. And I like the flexibility of doing things my way. Isn't that the fun thing about crafting? Do it the way you like, to your taste, to your colors. Design it the way you want. And depending upon what surface you use this transfers on, you can make quite a few different things. Remember, our transfers are reusable, so make it for yourself, make it for a friend, make it as a gift. I'm going to remove the transfer from my surface. Cleanup is easy. Just rinse it under water, remove all the paste from it. I like using a disinfecting wipe to get off all the bits of paste after I've run it and cleaned it underneath the water. And then I use the disinfecting wipe on the sticky side of the transfer too to get the lint that I deliberately applied. I apply lint so that with the fuzzing cloth so it's not quite as sticky as it would be otherwise, especially if you're putting it on something that's non-porous or really smooth like glass. You want to diminish that stickiness a little bit so it's not difficult to lift it up. And there's a tiny little heart right above the little lips. I think this is such a sweet transfer. I think it also goes perfect on this chalkboard arrow, but like I said, you could do it on a rectangular simple shape or even on our board and base. It really is very versatile and simple to use. So hop on over to our 50% off Valentine sale. You'll see the paste is also on sale, along with a variety of transfers. Some new from this year, some from last year. This one is actually, I think, was new last year, so it's from 2023 Valentine's, but it really stands the test of time. It's perfect any year. I'm having a little bit of difficulty lifting that up. If you have a problem with no fingernails, use our detail tool, the pointy side of the detail tool, to lift your transfers. It makes it easy and simple. Now, how quick and easy was this? Isn't that just the sweetest thing for Valentine's? I'm going to let it dry. I had a little bit of a smudge on it that I just wiped off. Very, very simple. So I want to close up my pastes and put them away. This is my finished project, but hang on and I'll show you another design using the same transfer with a slightly different spin. This is the same transfer used on our black board and base, and the base was just painted with the red, so you could use your cherry paste to paint it. Thanks for watching.